Hello adventurers and welcome to the club. Today's video is all about why Altoids survival tins are so great and are not useless like some people may think. So, don't write a bad comment, stick with me and let me explain. The items here placed on the table are what I call the generic hiker's EDC. We do have, very important, a bottle of generic water, generic sunglasses, generic old car keys, a head protection, and of course the phone. Yeah, the generic iPhone. But let me try to turn this on here. Yeah. Yeah. This works actually better than intended, because the battery is empty. Yeah. I thought there is just a charge on it, but yeah. And that's what I mean. Your phone, some keys to your car, one bottle of water, head protection, sunglasses, and that's it. And here comes the Altoids style survival tin. By the way, this is one I'm selling. Yes, some mean advertising here, but that's a premium one in a glove bag. Very cool thing here. But let me open this. We have a list of contents, and then it goes on and on and on. And that's the thing. You may think what you can fit in such a tin isn't enough to survive. And this may be true, but having this tin and the contents in it is by far better than just having those items. I mean, what to do with an empty phone? Maybe use the little Apple logo on the backside as a reflector. This could work. Little holograph. You could smash it and use the battery, the lithium battery, to make one fire. So yeah, could work. You could even try to make a crude cutting tool out of the glass, but that's probably more cutting your hands, and otherwise this is just useless. Your sunglasses, they are good, they protect your eyes, so they are good, nothing against them. Car keys, yeah, you could even use them to scratch on some wood or do something, but yeah, you won't make fire with them. Your generic water, that's not much. This is barely enough for a day, and so most hikers are already dehydrated when they are on the trail. Yeah, you're just typical day hiker is dehydrated. What you would have needed is at least a bottle of this size. That's 1.5 liter. But what you have here, that's half a liter, I think, or even less. Let me see. Yeah, that's half a liter. With half a liter you can't get far, but of course you can use the bottle, put water in it, solar purify it, or do something like this, but yeah, it doesn't bring you far. This is not enough to survive. And now the point about those tins. Those tins are for people who would never ever carry a big survival kit, because they don't think about it. It's inconvenient, it's heavy, but this thing here is ultra lightweight. It doesn't even rattle. It is in a nice glove bag, and this is just my thing here, but even the standard Altoids tin. And by the way, those are exactly the shape of a pack of cigarettes, so most pens are made to fit a pack of cigarettes, so they will fit in nearly everything, in every pair of jeans, in every jacket, everywhere. And now to the conclusion. The possibility for our generic hiker kind of guy, who is definitely a Trump supporter, little joke aside, the possibility for him to carry a small Altoid style survival tin like this is far, far, far higher than for him to carry a big dedicated survival kit. And this thing contains each of everything. It contains a blade, it contains a lighter, it contains some zip ties, some wire, hand sanitizer, tinder, first aid supplies. It contains a lot of stuff he wouldn't have if he wouldn't carry his small, so-called useless Altoid style survival tin. So, you're still here? Well, this part is very special because, statistically speaking, most of millennials don't watch things that are longer than, well, 3 minutes. So, and the reason that you are still here is, I don't know, did you fall asleep? Yeah. Okay, this part here is actually just to get a thumbnail because, well, my channel is new and I can't upload a thumbnail, a custom thumbnail now, and yeah. So, yeah. I will do a Altoids survival tin challenge where I test my survival tin in the winter outside in the woods, and well, there will be a video about it if I don't die, which I don't hope. Yeah, I mean, there are some other interesting challenges coming up, like $10 dollar store survival challenge. I am working on it, but it is hard now with still COVID restrictions being very harsh here. And yeah, what's left to tell you? Well, adventurers, if you have managed to stick around that long, how about okay, subscribing to my channel and join the Adventures Club. Yeah, I mean, there are good videos coming up. I have a ton of ideas, and yeah, it will be worth for you to stick around something, whatever. But one thing, I forgot to mention, let me know if you have built your own Altoids survival tin, and if you have made a video about it. Put me the link down in the description, or just tell me that it is on your channel or something like this, because I really want to know it. I like to watch those videos, and if you have done one, let me know. And also other survival stuff, challenges and such things. If you know a challenge, well, challenge me. Yeah. And we are getting closer to the end of this video. Yeah, I have stolen 10 minutes of your life right now. But hey, if you think about it, it is worth it. I mean, maybe you are now encouraging people to carry at least small Altoid style survival tins, and I mean, they can save their life. The abilities they got with making fire, having a small light, maybe a compass, candle, knife, whatever. I mean, like I said, it is better to have those things than to don't have it. I mean, they may not be the best things, but at least they are things. if you know what I mean. And so yeah, the video is ending now. I hope you have enjoyed it, and well, if you have any suggestions or anything, the comments are open. See you in the next video on the Adventures Club.